Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get started by showing you guys the dried results of my last painting, which was the beautiful rainbow painting. It is now dry. It dried perfectly and I'm super duper happy with the results. Now, of course, like I mentioned, I did use iridescent, was it Red Blue by Pebeo? And as you can see, there's only a small portion of the red here. But even though you've got the little hint of purpley blue in there, I still like it. And in the next one I do, I'm gonna use some different, I won't use that color, I'll use a different red, and I'll see how that one turns out. Lots of suggestions in the comments from this video, which were a great idea. Look at the shimmer in this. I am loving it. And you can see there's the dark purple and then the violet. So I'm gonna try this on 12 by 36 inch canvas. And a lot of people had said, you know, start in the green with the green and then move your way out. So that's what I'm gonna do next time to try and ensure that I get the lines proportioned properly. But I'm still super happy with this piece. It is a 15 by 30 inch canvas. Actually, it looks cool like this. Oh, I think I like this composition best. Upwards like this, vertical. It is available for purchase if anyone is interested. It still needs a top coat of Krystal Resin. However, if you are interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, so really quickly, don't forget, I am heading to Dallas, Texas this November, November 17th, 18th, and 19th. I'm going to be part of the Fluid Art Experience this November in Dallas, Texas. I'll be teaching Dutch pours with white base, black base Dutch pours, color split Dutch pours. There's going to be a bunch of other YouTube artists, Massey Art Studios, Mina Villegas, Cause Creations, Mixed Media Girl, Pieces of Terra, Winterstrom Art, Cole's Color, and Nate Bright Art. There's so many. So if you want information and to see all the fun events that are happening, there's dinner parties, wrap parties, galas, Q&As. Oh, there's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening at this event. For information, check the description below. There is a website link where you can click on it or just go to fluidartexperience.com and all the information will be there, the days, the times, the pricing, all of that, okay? That's November. Don't forget though, Tammy Anderson and I are also doing our Fluid Art Creative Escape workshop in Charlotte, North Carolina, this February 18th and 19th. So February 18th and 19th, 2023, we will be hosting in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you are interested in that information, again, I'm going to be teaching Dutch pours. Tammy's going to be teaching swipes, the bloom technique. We're even doing a resin class. That's right, guys. We are going, or Tammy's going to be teaching an ocean themed resin. She's also going to do a demonstration on how to top coat your canvases. So there's lots of stuff to learn there as well. So for information and details on pricing, you can email us at fluidartescape@gmail.com. Last but not least, my home workshops. I still have one spot left for September 10th. That's an acrylic workshop where I'm going to teach you guys the Dutch pour. I have one spot left, September 10th. I have just opened a resin top coating class. That is Sunday, October 2nd. All right, I already have 3 spots filled, believe it or not, from previous students who have come to my home studio. If you are interested in learning how to put Krystal Resin and top coat one of your pieces, you can come and join me for that class on October 2nd. Email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com for details. That's it. I'm going to get started on today's painting and I'll let you guys know what I am up to today. Be right back. All right, everybody, let's get started. So today I'm working on a commission piece for a client of mine whose name is Lisa. And Lisa has commissioned this, which is 2 10 by 20 inch canvases. and she wants them done the same because she's going to keep one and she's gifting the other one to her lovely sister. So that is super sweet. And so what I'm going to be doing today is a color split. She wanted white and turquoise green. So that is going to be my split colors: titanium white, turquoise green by Amsterdam. That is my base, and here I have it here. But what I did was I actually lightened up the turquoise green with some white, because we all know, look what I did. Because we all know that when paints dry, they dry a lot darker. So I did lighten it up just a bit with some titanium white. And boy, am I glad I have a gap in between my canvases. I can't believe I just did that. All right, let me get some paper towel and wipe that up. All right, so that was my base: turquoise green and titanium white. And the colors I'm going to be using today are Prism Violet by Liquitex Basics. I haven't used this color in a long time, and I keep forgetting what an amazing color it is. And so Lisa wanted gold and purple, so that is what today's palette is. Prism Violet, Liquitex Basics, Pearl Lilac by Arteza, 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then we have Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza, and then topping it off, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. So those are my colors. Because these are smaller canvases, I'm going to be using the Flower hair dryer. And my dogs are freaking out upstairs. I don't know if you can hear Juno barking. This is what happens when I do a video on a Saturday and the whole entire family is home and it's just nothing but nonsense upstairs. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas. Oh, and for those of you who are new watching, if you want to know how I mix my paints, I mix them with water and Floetrol. All my paints are the same consistency, and the ratios and how to learn how to mix it is under my video number 434. I will link it up here at the top for those of you who would like to see that video. Now I'm going to get started, and I'm going to flood my canvas, and I will be right back. All right, everybody, the canvas is flooded, ready to go. So let's start with the colors here, starting with Prism Violet. Now this is going to be a simple one because it's just a straight line. Lisa wanted a straight line going across. I believe she saw my black and white piece that I had done a while back. I did a black canvas and a white canvas, and then on the black I added white and silver, and on the white I did black and silver. And I think that's where she got the idea to do the same type of design this way. Just a simple line up vertically. That's it. Super simple, and sometimes simple is best. Keep that in mind. You don't always have to do wispies. You don't always have to do intricate designs and compositions. All right, so I'm adding my gold. Don't forget, 24 karat gold does take over, so try not to add too much of it unless you really want the gold to take over. So be very light-handed with the gold. All right, now we're doing Pearl Royal Purple. I think this is going to be so pretty with the turquoise and white background. All right, one more color to go. Ooh, this one needs a refill. This bottle's running low. So a lot of people ask me, what do I do with my bottles when they're empty? Do I clean them? And my answer to that is heck no. I reuse my Lolivefe bottles. So this color here is almost empty. It's like down to here. I'm just going to refill it with the same color. It would be impossible to clean this out and put like a cream color or something else in it. If I wanted to do a new color, I'll just get a new bottle. So these bottles are, as you know, from Lolivefe, and you can shop and save 10% off the entire website using code Kanella10. All right, pop in the air bubbles and let's get started. So I'm gonna start on this one. I'm gonna start here in the middle, and my goal is to try and keep it from going off the edges. That's the key word, is try. It doesn't have to be like that, but I kind of want them to be the same, so we'll see what happens. Well, now, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Look, it's going over the edge. All right, so this seems to be staying put. Now I can definitely fix this to keep it from going over the edge, but this side's going over the edge too. So let me see. I need my stool. Like I said, it wasn't a requirement to keep it from going over the edge, but I kind of wanted to try and keep it from going over the edge. So let's see what I can do here. All right, so this can now stay here like so. All right, and then this is kind of I don't think I can even reach that. All right, let's bring it back. So you can just use your fingertip to kind of manipulate and maneuver the paint. Now, I can't guarantee it's going to stay put. It might not. All right, this side's really gone over the edge. And then same with this side. Let me see. Yeah, I would need to scrape like so as I'm getting my hair in the paint. All right, let's fix this. Although I still think it's gonna fall over the edge no matter what I do. You know me, I like things to be matchy-matchy. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't said that in a really long time, matchy-matchy, but I do. I want things to match. But I have a feeling that I'm not gonna win on this one. So this has gone over the edge, this has gone over the edge, and this one was over the edge, and I'm sure it'll go back over the edge. However, aside from that, I love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. And the gold accents in this is super pretty. All right, so I'm not gonna fidget with this. I'm gonna leave it as I fidget with this. I wanted to bring this nub in a little. There we go. That looks better. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm just gonna leave that because I just don't want to ruin the pretty design. So I'm going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. Now I've already gone ahead and scraped my drips because it's 2 canvases and it would just take too long to do that on camera. So here are the finished results, and let's just start with this one here. Now it's so rich and purple. I really like how dark and rich the colors are. Now don't forget, when this dries, there's definitely going to be a lot of shimmer because 3 out of the 5 paints were an iridescent metallic shimmery paint. So I'm going to turn the lights off so we can actually get a good look at the shimmer on this. All right, believe it or not, the lights are off and the flash is on, but it's such a sunny day. Doesn't matter though, because you're still going to see all the shimmer. Look at that. My goodness, do I ever love 24 karat gold by DecoArt. It is one of my go-to colors if you want shimmer and cells. That is where it's at. All right, let's check this side out. I don't want to lean too far over the painting and have an accident. Look at all this shimmer. Now I know you're seeing a lot of gold shimmer, but trust me, when this dries, you will see the purple shimmers in here as well. Super, super pretty. I love it. All right, and there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Lisa, if you're watching, I hope you love it. And that is it. So don't forget, there's a lot of information listed in the description below my videos. You know, there's info on the workshop classes. There's discounts for a bunch of products, Krystal Resin, Lolivefe, Arteza, all kinds of discount codes if you guys want to save some money when ordering some supplies. And yeah, that's it. If you are new watching and you like what you see, I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I post a new video. So that is it for me for now, everybody. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.